KG Auto. I live in Brooklyn. If your car breaks down, you know to call. If your car breaks down, you know to call. Call 347-385-9080. Let's go. Yeah, hello, Via. Good morning, KG Auto. We're back again. Two most important days in your life: the day you were born and the day you find out why you were born. If you discover that, trust me, your life will take you to another level. Anyway, this is the first video of the year 2026. Today is the 8th of January. Thank God for the privilege allowing me to see another beautiful morning. It's a beautiful day in New York, almost 40-something degrees, close to 50 in January. Can you imagine? Our God is amazing. But anyway, today I'm doing a radiator on this vehicle. It's a 2013. It's a Nissan Rogue. It's gonna be a very pretty quick and a very easy one. Even my grandmom, not even my mom, my grandmom can do this. So if you can do it, I believe you can do it too. But having said that, let me bring you along and show you what we're gonna do and how we're gonna do this. Make sure you have your radiator and 2 antifreeze should be enough. Having said that, you know my slogan, KG, let's go. We're getting it right now. Shout out to Brooklyn. That's the radiator we're gonna be using. I believe you can see the part number, but if you can, that's the part number right there. He bought it from Arch Auto Parts. I believe he paid, what was that? $147. That was what he paid, $147.
What?
So in case you need to get one for your vehicle, you know. So this is how we're gonna do this. Let me bring the camera because I have another job to do today. So we're gonna go real fast and quick. All you need to do is just take off this guy right here, like this, like this. And you bring up this boy. There's still one more here, like so. I will take off this guy like this. That one is off. Then we'll come right here. Then we're gonna take off this guy right here. So what I'm gonna do, so this one is just a little tab right here, like this. You just pull up this, like so, like so. Take off this bushing. Sometimes all this bushing, they become dried up, so it needs to be changed. See, as you can see, this one is bad already. But do it the same way, like this, like this. Once you do it, you just push it up. So we take off this, like so. We're outside there. Then we take off this guy. Why am I changing the radiator? Because the radiator is leaking. You know, because when you look at radiator, you know, lifetime of a car, maybe you might have to change it twice. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go underneath and drain the antifreeze so I don't make a mess. You know that I walk outside. But in the meantime, this one here will squeeze this connector, take that out. It's 2 connector. Then I'll squeeze this one, take it out. Then we'll take off this from the radiator fan. This whole thing can come out as well, but we'll see to that. But having said that, let me go underneath and drain the antifreeze so we don't make a mess. KG, stay tuned. Don't go nowhere. So like I said before, once you disconnect this guy right here, you disconnect this guy right here, you disconnect this from here, then the bottom one you disconnect. The guy just put some water in because it was leaking. So this radiator, you can do it 2 ways. It's either you lose this or you can take everything out. So I'm gonna try to see if I can take everything out one time. I believe that should be the best way. But let's see if we can have enough room to drag everything out. KG. All right, so we're just gonna see. We have to control the hose because there's a lot of things going on down here. But let me see if I can bring everything out. So there are some wires here and all of that. Let's see. Let's give it a try. If I had somebody here, it would be more easier. But KG, pray for me as I continue to drag this thing out. Yeah, there we go. So now there's a hose. Like I said, oh boy, I'm almost there. Bear with me. There's the hose here. There we go. So you see the hose trap on this wire here. There we go. See, we got it out. So it's easy this way. Just have to fight with it. And because I didn't want to go the underneath to take off this, so that was why I just decided to ease out. Just like that. 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna have to transfer everything. So let me bring the camera. So we're gonna have to transfer everything here. We're gonna have to transfer everything here. Yep. We're gonna transfer everything here now. Everything here. So we're going to transfer everything here to the new one. And that's it. KG, stay tuned. Don't go. So just like so, everything is being transferred over here. But I want to warn you of this. Make sure you see over here, right here, make sure the bushing is still there. Because sometimes when you take off the radiator, this bushing will come, it will follow the radiator out. But if that's so, just make sure you put it back there, because that is a sitting. If it's not there, the radiator is going to be bouncing up and down, and the radiator will not have a long life. Okay, so we're back in there now. We're going to turn it around like this. I wish somebody was here to help me, but pray for me. Just like the way I took it out, we can be able to put it back. And this is very important to make sure you see this. Let me show it to you. You see all these heater clamp, they are funny. When you put it on the car, make sure you turn it. If anytime you put that in and it's twisting up and down, this one is not in the right position. Let me get it in the right position, the clamp. So just make sure you keep your eyes on that. If that clamp is turning up and down, you know that clamp is not good. You change it. Because if not, you're going to have a leak. I'm telling you that now. Okay? All right, that's the right position there. See, anytime you put that clamp, you turn the hose. If the hose is turning, then you know it's not tight. Okay? All right, so now we'll go back in just like so. Told you my grandma can do this. All right, let's go back in and take our time. See how we do. Hopefully we don't mess up anything. It's just that hose, that's connected there is the one that is my biggest thing. Once I get that out of the way, once that hose go down, oh boy, oh my goodness, did you see that? This shit is, yeah, that's my biggest problem. If you can't get through that, I'm not holding it here. Just have to guide it down with your hand. Believe we're almost there. Are we there yet? We are not there yet, KG. Okay. So the radiator is seated now. Just make sure you look at it very well. Sit on the bushing. Once it's there, you will know, because this thing will lap up really good. So we just have to come back here, put this dry bushing. I wish I have a new one. I would have loved it. And then I put the other one. Cause this thing seems to be bad. Then you just press this in. It's very easy. That's it. If you have like a new one, you know, it won't be, see the way it's shaking, like a new bushing wouldn't shake. So if I knew, I would have told the owner to buy. So we put this one back just like so. We're almost done. Push this in just like so. You put this one right there. So that's pretty much it. Put those, make sure you put the connector back. If not, you'll be having an overheating. You don't want that. Then we'll put this one back here like so. This guy put some water in here. Let me just drain this thing. Like, it looked like when it was leaking, he decided to put some water. So that one was in the reservoir. I just want to make sure that I drain that out. Then we'll clog this back. Then we'll put antifreeze and we'll start the car. KG, stay tuned. So that's pretty much it, you know. Go and start the car now. If you have one of this funnel, it's good. But if you don't have, it's still good. Put the antifreeze just like that. We're going to start it and burp out the air system on it. And the car is ready to go. That's it. Just gonna let it run. Take out the air, the bubble, the air on the radiator, and this is very good. So when it's burping out, the antifreeze, you're not losing anything, and everything will be good from there. You know, that's pretty much it. Please make sure you subscribe, support your boy in any way you can. I'll really appreciate that. KG, I'll see you on my next episode. Bye for now. Peace. We are gone.